Hi, this is the context brief. Today we're diving into a question that's on a lot of people's minds. Do brain supplements actually work? And more importantly, which ones are backed by science? In this video, I'll walk you through the handful of supplements that have strong evidence supporting their effects on memory, focus, and overall cognitive function. You'll find links to some vetted products in the description, if you'd like to explore them further. Let's start with omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA. These fats are vital components of brain cell membranes and have been studied for decades. A recent meta-analysis covering over 100,000 participants found that regular intake of EPA and DHA was associated with a significant reduction in cognitive decline, especially in older adults. Other studies show that omega-3s can support memory, attention, and even mood, particularly in people who are deficient. DHA, in particular, plays a key structural role in neurons. And that's not just theory, it's something we've seen reflected in both brain imaging and behavioral outcomes. Next is Magnesium L-Threonate, a special form of magnesium that was developed at MIT. Unlike most magnesium forms, this one crosses the blood-brain barrier efficiently, meaning it can actually reach the brain. Clinical trials have shown that taking Magnesium L-Threonate daily can improve working memory, attention, and even reduce what researchers call brain age by several years. It's also been linked to better deep sleep, which we know is critical for cognitive recovery and memory consolidation. If you're looking for something that supports both brain function and restful sleep, this one stands out. Then there's Phosphatidylserine, a phospholipid naturally found in brain cell membranes. It helps regulate how neurons communicate, and it's been studied extensively in aging populations. Several clinical trials have shown that phosphatidylserine can improve memory, processing speed, and mental flexibility in older adults. In fact, the FDA has even allowed a qualified health claim stating that it may reduce the risk of cognitive decline in the elderly. It's not a miracle cure, but it's one of the few supplements in this space with consistent human trial results. Moving on to Citicoline, also known as CDP-Choline. This compound is a source of choline, which your body uses to make acetylcholine, one of the brain's key neurotransmitters for learning and memory. Citicoline has been shown in clinical research to improve attention span, executive function, and mental clarity. It's also considered neuroprotective, helping to repair cell membranes and reduce inflammation in the brain. Unlike stimulants that give a temporary boost, Citicoline supports long-term brain health and function. But here's the truth, sometimes, what really impacts brain function isn't what you add, it's what you're missing. B vitamins, especially B6, B9, and B12, are essential for neurotransmitter production, so you can support your brain through your diet. Vitamin B6 is found in foods like chicken, fish, bananas, and potatoes, while B9 comes from leafy greens, lentils, and avocados. Vitamin B12 is mostly found in animal products such as meat, eggs, and dairy. Deficiencies in these vitamins are directly linked to cognitive decline and memory issues, particularly in older adults. Vitamin D also plays a surprising role in brain health. Low levels of vitamin D have been associated with higher rates of depression, brain fog, and age-related cognitive decline. Vitamin D, produced naturally through sun exposure, can also be found in fatty fish and egg yolks. Since many people fall short on these nutrients, especially vitamin D and B12, supplements can be a smart way to fill the gaps and support long-term brain health. But let's be clear, supplements are not magic pills. If you're not taking care of your sleep, your diet, your body, and your stress levels, no supplement is going to fix that. So, to wrap up, there are indeed brain supplements that do have real, scientific support. Omega-3s, Magnesium L-Threonate, Phosphatidylserine, Citicoline, B vitamins, and vitamin D, all of them show real promise when used properly and consistently. If you're considering trying any of them, I've left some links in the description where you can check them out on Amazon. Just a way to explore what might work best for you. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the context brief, and turn on notifications, because clarity matters. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.